Среди личных вещей были обнаружены и изъяты 2 картриджа для электронных сигарет с веществом, являющимся наркотическим средством, маслом каннабиса, гашишное масло, включенное в список 1, перечень наркотических средств, психотропных веществ и прекурсоров, подлежащих контролю Российской Федерации, утвержден постановлением правительства Российской Федерации 30 июня 1998 года номер 681.
All right, so what you've been listening to is obviously in Russian. There is no translator there translating it into English. That's kind of what we were waiting for there. That's Brittney Griner on the screen. We can tell you, though, that Reuters is now reporting that a Russian court did find U.S. basketball star Brittney Griner guilty. We know that she had already pleaded guilty, but the Russian court had to hear it, and they have now declared a verdict there. They have said she is guilty on those drug charges. Now we wait to find out what her sentence will be. We know that the court, earlier on, prosecutors there did say they wanted 9.5 years for that sentence. We know that the maximum sentence was going to be 10 years on those charges. But I do want to go over some of the information here that we do have if you are just joining us and you are not familiar necessarily with the case itself here. Brittney Griner, obviously a WNBA star from here in America. She is on trial for cannabis possession. The judge just announcing that verdict, waiting on a sentencing now. The verdict was set to be read about 10 minutes ago. It's obviously being read in Russian, and they're giving some more information there in Russian. However, we are not getting a translation. Closing arguments did begin this morning, nearly 6 months after she was arrested at an airport in Moscow. During today's hearing, Russian prosecutors had asked for Griner to be sentenced to 9.5 years in prison. The maximum sentence for the crime is 10 years. We already know that she had pleaded guilty earlier to the charge a few weeks ago. Griner spoke today during those closing arguments, saying she had no intention of breaking any Russian law. A conviction appeared very likely. Of course, we now know that she has been convicted. Part of that, Griner acknowledged there were vape canisters with cannabis oil in her luggage at the airport. Again, that is a live image coming in from Russia here of Brittney Griner. You can see after Reuters reporting that she has been found guilty on those drug charges.